What's up? Happy Monday. This is Actors Daily Bread. Today I am talking about the fact that every penny counts. Stay tuned. What's up? This is Actors Daily Bread, where I teach you how to crush your auditions, book more work, and live a life that you love. I am Christine Horn. Yes! I'm excited about life. I am a professional working actress of 20 plus years, and I'm a life and career coach for actors just like you. You are watching Actors Daily Bread, and if this is your first time watching, I want to welcome you. To all my replay watchers who will watch this later, what's up? Replay watchers? Love you guys. Woo! Listen, it's 100-something degrees in Los Angeles, and it's hot. I got my sweat rag ready, and I'm ready to dive in with you today. As you pop on, make sure you say hi. Let's see who might be here. Let me close these windows here. Okay, boom, boom. Awesome. Let me make sure I'm live on my phone, because sometimes there's a lag. So as you come on, make sure you say hi. But I want to talk to you about every penny and how every penny counts. I'm going to explain in just a second, but I do want to make sure like all is well in this live thread here. Let's see, it's almost 11 o'clock East Coast. Let me just see. Hang on one second, guys. I have to just check. When I don't see anybody pop on, I get worried. There's one eyeball. Okay. If you can see me, you can hear me, please just type hey, say hello. Because I start worrying when no one says anything, and I'm like, am I live? Can they really hear me? I see if you have jumped on. Just if you can just type hello, yes, I can hear you, that'd be great. So yes, let me look at the comments here. Hey Sheena Foss, hey Stephanie, thank you for joining. Hello, she says hello, that means I can be heard. Yes. So, oh wait, buzz plugged in. Maybe y'all can hear me better now. I still have my earbuds in. I just finished the Q&A session with my amazing Booking Magnet Academy members. Shout out to all of you lovely people. But you know, today I was thinking about what to talk about today. And first and foremost, let me say this. I always forget, my assistant is not here. I'm gonna put this link in the thing. I'm gonna put this link in the comments right quick. I'm putting a link to the Hollywood Bound Actors Facebook group, which is our free Facebook group here. And there are some huge new announcements for the Hollywood Bound actors, just so you know, for all my members. And if you're not a member, click this link here in the comments and join us. Starting this month, I am starting to do exclusive masterclasses in the Hollywood Bound Actors Facebook group. So be on the lookout for that. I've been creating events. So if you're a member of the Hollywood Bound group, look for those events, sign up for those events. They're not being held on Facebook. That is really big for you to know. They're not being held on Facebook, but they are available to you at no cost. So make sure you sign up for those and join us there. So that's going to start happening every month. There'll be a different topic. Also, another announcement is office hours. If you are in the Hollywood Bound Actors Facebook group, I'm doing office hours on Monday, on the second and fourth Monday of every month. So you'll see a big poster, like a big post that says office hours, ask me anything. Use that. If you look in the group today, I put it there today. Only one person asked the question. I know it's new, but so just be on the lookout for that. So that way you're not tagging me all over the place. You can just look for that thread and ask me anything, and I will respond right there in the thread for you. That is something else I'm doing for my community. So I want you guys to know that and utilize it. Utilize everything that I want to share with you. And what else? The last big announcement, as you can see in the link below, is I am hosting Hollywood Bound Actors Live in Atlanta, August 25th, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. It's going to be 6 immersive, engaging, interactive hours with yours truly, and I am so excited. We're going to do self-tapes. We're going to do branding and types and working on mindset and strategies for marketing, and it's going to be really special, and it's exclusive to 30 actors only. And as we just sold our first ticket today, doors have just opened. So that's something you want to do with me. Early bird pricing is only $99. And I say only because I know what this stuff goes for in Atlanta. And I know these 6 hours are really going to be a game changer in your career. So even if you're not based in Atlanta, if you live in a nearby city, get in the car, boo, and come on and see me. And let's hang out for 6 hours and let's do some work. So that link is below. Hollywood Bound Actors Live, only 30 actors. But today I want to talk about, for this episode of Actors Daily Bread, I know it's the summertime and I know a lot of you are, you know, doing your family thing, doing your traveling thing. Hey, Sheena, I see you watching. But you know, whenever I pass by, some of my friends, some people who know me will laugh because when I'm in the street, if I see a penny, I always pick it up. And you know, once upon a time, I was a broke, struggling actor. I worked a 9 to 5. I worked 6 p.m. to whatever time as a waiter back in the day. I mean, I put in my dues. I hustled. I worked. I really hustled. And so for those of you who are new to me and new to my journey, please know that it wasn't that many years ago when I was like, okay, how much I need at the gas station? Okay, can I get 18 cents on pump 7? So I get it. I know what it's like to be a creative person. I know what it's like to be wanting to do this career so bad and having to balance out, you know, adult stuff and paying your lights and eating, you know, those things. So whenever I see a penny, I always pick it up. And I've had some friends and people around me like, why are you like stopping everything to pick up this penny? And at this stage, I picked one up today, which is why this popped in mind. And it's not because, oh, I need a penny. Well, when I see pennies on the ground, they always remind me of abundance. And it always reminds me of that saying, well, I don't know if it's a saying, but I say it. The only difference between 99 cents and $1 is a penny. And the point of that is every penny counts. Every single penny counts. So when you, and again, I'm gonna go back to being, you know, struggling actors back when I was there. When you're struggling and there's something you want to buy and it's $1, but all you have is 99 cents, this penny makes a big difference in your life. It can make a really huge impact on you getting what you want versus you not getting what you want. And so whenever I see a penny on the ground, I pick it up. I'm like, oh, God is so abundant. There's so much prosperity. There's just money all around me. And today, though, when I picked up the penny, because it was when I got out my car and there was a penny on the ground, I was like, oh, a penny. And some people were like, girl, I'm looking for a 20. Give me a $20 bill. Give me 100. Give me a stack. But what I was reminded of, it reminds me of our acting careers. And so many of us are only going for, the $20 bill. We're only going for the $100 bill. We're only going for the 6 figures. We're going for the series regular. We're only going for the recurring guest star. But what we forget is that every penny counts. And so, you know, I used to, when I was thinking about the penny as money, I would be like, oh, like I just said, the difference between 99 cents and $1. And if I'm saying I want more money and more abundance in my life, how dare I walk over a penny that's laying on the street? That's money. So I'm good enough. I'm not good enough for the penny? No, I'm gonna pick that penny up because if I say I want abundance and I want more, so when I see pennies around, I'm like, oh my God, I'm surrounded. Money's coming to me daily, just easily, just it's everywhere. And that's how I look at opportunities in my career. I look at it like, man, these are just opportunities all over the place. And so many times actors come to me and say, Christine, why am I not booking? Why am I not booking? I'm doing, I'm waiting on that series regular. I'm doing whatever. But I'm like, are you doing the penny work? Are you doing the memorization techniques? Are you doing the self-tape techniques? Are you doing are you working on your confidence? Are you working on your strategy to travel? Like I got like 5 pennies here. And I'm like, all these 5 pennies will eventually get you a nickel. So maybe that nickel is that co-star. But first, I need you to take penny by penny, by penny, by penny, by penny, moment by moment, by moment, by moment. Each thing that you do will get you where you want to go. But if you, some of you, I know because I talk to some of y'all. When I take consultations, as I don't coach everybody now. I do consultations and I do questionnaires intentionally. Thank you for the love. Because sometimes people are like, yeah, I could do what you do. I see you on the TV, Christine. I'm going to do that. That look easy. I look cute. I could do that. I want to be on TV. Yeah. But are you willing to do all of this work? All the pieces that will get you to the dollar, get you to the $20 bill, that'll get you to the series regular, to the recurring guest star? And a lot of times the answer is no. Some of you right now have been passing over pennies left and right. You're passing over the craft. Shout out to Stephanie, who today was just telling me that she's in an awesome acting class. She's working that muscle. Shout out to Tarnisha, I see you, who just booked another role. But that has not come. You didn't wake up yesterday and book it. You've been picking up pennies along the way. You've been collecting your dollars. You've been literally collecting your coins. And so today I was reminded of God's abundance today. Every time I see a penny, that's what I'm reminded by. And whereas people laugh at me for stopping everything to pick it up and put it in my purse, and sometimes I forget they're in my purse and I forget to take them out, but I know they're there and I know I have not ignored it. How can I say I want more when I am stepping over more every day? How can you say you want more in your acting career when you're stepping over opportunities to harness and work? Some of you may need to take free jobs, do that short film, help a sister out who just needs somebody to run craft services today. Like, you never know where those relationships will lead you. Really start operating from a place of abundance, but also understand that there's work that you need to do. And if you were to stop right now and take a look at and do an inventory of what's happening in your life, in your career, and be like, what opportunities have I missed? What opportunities have I missed? So tomorrow, when you go out about your day, when you go to your 9 to 5 or your night job, or you just go to take the kids to the park, I want you to look for pennies. And I want you to think of me when you look for pennies. Now, you ain't got to walk around the street like this, right? Stay focused. They will find their way to your eyesight. That's what I know for sure. And you're going to see that penny. I mean, I want you to intentionally pick it up and remember that it reflects abundance, and make it also do an exercise and be like, how does this represent my career? What little thing can I do today? For some of you, that little thing is just setting 30 minutes aside in your actual calendar to work on your acting career. A lot of you are just saying, oh, I'm a hope to fit it in this week, hopefully, between work and the kids and my church, and then I got soccer. Like, some of you hope to fit it in, but maybe your one step this week is to just put it in your Google Calendar on your cell phone that I'm gonna do 30 minutes on Saturday morning between 9 a.m. and 9:30, and that's just gonna be my time to strategize, to maybe create a love note, write a thank you card to somebody, reach out, email that actress I worked with that time. You have more time than you think. Thank you for the love. Every penny counts. Every penny counts. I never tire of gathering pennies. And let me tell you, I got a nice big old jar of pennies in this closet, and I don't know how much it is, but it's enough to get me something. And, also, if I'm being totally transparent, I remember the days when I was struggling. Like I remember the days I was financially struggling. And so I don't take pennies lightly. Because, honey, pennies got me fed. Pennies put gas in the car. Pennies took care of me. And I didn't care how many people stared at me at the gas station and be like, oh, here she go with the pennies. Like, boo, are you going to pay for this gas? Are you paying for it? Then thank you. People love to give you attitude when they ain't doing nothing for you. Woo! That's a breakthrough right there for somebody. Some of y'all worried about impressing folks that could care less. People who would not even give you nothing, but they're going to talk about you. So no, I care. I'm not going to curse today. So hold on to that. I say that with so much truth and so much realness. That is my experience. I am here today. I have a testimony, but I have not forgot where I've come from. And when I see pennies, I pick them up because they remind me of so many things and where I'm going. Y'all, who's laughing at me? I'm serious. People love to give you shame when they ain't doing nothing for you. What you giving me shame? Are you going to do something for me or no? Okay, then keep it moving. Same thing with your career. Some of y'all afraid to market yourself, put yourself out there, do things because, oh, what is someone going to think? They ain't doing nothing for you. That gets me fired up. You know that gets me fired up because I hear it all the time. And I really could care less. I'm going to celebrate myself. I'm going to celebrate each and every one of you. Hey, Richard. Hey, Tarnisha. Hey, Dawn. So have an amazing night. Tomorrow, look for pennies. Allow the pennies to find you. Because remember the Rumi quote, what you seek is seeking you. What you seek is seeking you. That's Rumi. I'll put it in the comments. It's not mine. But you start seeking opportunity, you will find it because it's waiting for you. And when you put out the intention that this is mine, this is my season of going to my next level. This is my season of not passing anything up because I'm judging it by the cover. This is my season of next. This is my season of higher, of more. You keep putting that out in the universe has no other reason but to meet you where you are. So have an amazing night. Thank you all for watching. This is Actors Daily Bread. If you found this helpful, share it with somebody. Tag a friend. For those of you in or near the Atlanta area, I would love to see you at the Hollywood Bound Actors live event, exclusive to 30 actors. I'm ready to rock and roll with you for 6 hours. And for all my Booking Magnet Academy members, that's my paid membership group if you're new to me. I'm arranging... Oh, Sarnisha says she saw that quote today. Really? See? We're in sync. My Booking Magnet Academy members, I'm arranging something a little special for after the event for my Academy members. So I really hope to see you there. And it's going to be epic. Have a good night. Good night.